Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has slammed the centre for its hasty rollout of the Goods and Service Tax or GST, which includes a disability tax. In a series of tweets on his Twitter handle @OfficeOfRG, Rahul has called the disability tax on the wheelchairs and Braille typewriters as a sign of government's complete insensitivity towards the country's most vulnerable. Rahul demanded a full rollback of this tax, saying that the government was showing scant regard for the millions of our disabled. News Desk.